database or customer email list for your business marketing, then you are in the right place. At Worldwide Email List, we sell business database and customer email list from all distinguished countries. We are specialized in custom data research and targeted data research, tailored to our customers' needs. We even have special databases for specific target audiences and leads, such as Facebook, doctors, educational institutions, iPhone and iPad users, just to name a few. Our opt-in databases encompass 170 countries and over 10 billion databases with more than 300 categories. Our data validation team regularly verified the data, so most of our databases are updated in the last 6 months. Our business databases have got state or country-wise separation. You don't need to spend much time on data segmentation. Most of our database contains postal addresses, email, telephone, and fax number. So you can use it for email, postal, telephone, and fax marketing needs. We deliver your database in Excel format instantly through secure download link. Additionally, we do email marketing for all business and service providers at an affordable price. So, if you are looking to expand your business without paying a fortune, visit
This links in description box. This links in description box. This links in description box. This links in description box.